According to the MIT Coalition for Palestine, along with BDS Boston, the Industrial Liaison Program, ILP of MIT, officially cut its ties with Israeli weapons manufacturer Elbit Systems. After a sustained 6-month campaign against the program, which included disrupting ILP conferences both in the U.S. and abroad, the coalition says that it sets the stage for future wins against Elbit and the Israeli military complex in the U.S. and around the world.
Elbit is Israel's largest weapons dealer. They manufacture 85% of Israel's military drones. Elbit describes its drones as the backbone of the Israeli Defense Forces. And in addition, it supplies the Israeli military with tanks, munitions, surveillance towers.
We know from the ILP staff who we talk to who are not willing to share this publicly, but they will tell us in person that they are privately deeply ashamed of what's going on. And so this can become, in some ways, an excuse for them to get rid of an asset that's become toxic, that's no longer great for their image. We also know on Elbit's side, it may have been an MIT decision. It could have also been Elbit's own decision to remove themselves from a community that's extremely hostile towards it. And we would not have got to that point without the levels of mobilization we see now. And so we're excited for the future. As we said, this is only the first. We know that Elbit AI engineers continue to collaborate with MIT faculty on drone coordination projects. Those projects are often sponsored by the Israeli military itself directly. We know this violates MIT's own rules on foreign engagements. It violates the rules of our own conscience, and it disrespects the majority mass opinion of students, faculty, and people of conscience around the world.
We also had allies disrupting international conferences that ILP held in Seoul, Tokyo, Bangkok, and so we were able to really be part of global pressure on Elbit.
And despite their repression, their attacks on free speech, their shutting down of the opinion section in the newspaper, for instance, the suspension and banning of dozens of students on the basis of their activism, we will continue, and we do not plan to stop. So it's only looking worse and worse for the merchants of death, and we know we're on the right side of history.
Imagine if it was your son or daughter.